Hello guys, welcome back to Homesteading with Butch. Well, if y'all remember, here about March the 9th, I planted some seeds. Well, these squash are doing pretty good. Didn't all of them come up. You can see how many didn't. Not near as many as I wanted to come up. But they're starting to get a little big. So, here's what I'm doing. I'm making me some tubs, put them in. Got my milk jugs. I'm gonna drill holes in the top of all these and the bottoms. I'm gonna drill one hole here and I'm gonna cut this pipe, put it in like that. Alright, when I get done I'll show you my holes and stuff and what I use. What I'm gonna be using is, got this drill, this saw, tape measure. I'm gonna drill the holes in the milk jugs with a 1/4 inch drill bit and the one in the sides of 7/16. So, you can see this jug, this is a protein tub that can feed cattle. So I'm going to come up here, hard to see it, can come up here 6 inches right there. I got my drill bit ready. So you can see that I got 6 inches right there. I'm drilling that hole all the way through it. Well, we got that hole. Now I'm gonna take one of these milk jugs. I'm just gonna drill a hole all around the top. And then I'm going to drill holes on each side and the bottom. Alright, you see I got holes there. The holes right there and got holes in the top. Take this pipe, I'm going to cut it at 23 inches. That's just the measure I measured off earlier. We got it at 23 inches right here. Uh-oh. I'm going to knock it down where you can't see. Oh, it's moving around. But I'm going to take it, I'm going to cut it at an angle. I don't know if you can see that. That thing's at an angle. What I'm gonna do is take the top and cut this around and put that pipe down there. I'll show you when I'm done. I'm gonna get these holes drilled and get this cut out, and I'll show you what it looks like when I come back. Okay, guys. You see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's my 7th one. What I did was, you can see I just cut the top down in there. And that beveled end of that deal set right in there. That way it can let the water out. So you set that in there. Now we got to go out there and fill it up with dirt. The end product will look like this. I put me this is just straight nitrogen. I put 1 cup of nitrogen in each tub, and this is 1.5 tablespoons, and that's just 13 fertilizer. I put 2 of them in each tub. So what's going to happen is, at the end of it, it's going to look like this. I got a bunch of them to build. Don't have enough jugs yet, but I'll get there. Alright guys, it's not much. A little short video. I'm going to go out there and fill these up with dirt and plant another plant in them. That's the way I do it. I don't know if it's right, don't know if it's wrong, but we're going to try it this year and see what happens. All right, I appreciate y'all joining in. Why don't you go down there and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hey, maybe you might learn a little bit about it, but we're going to try to get all this stuff planted. I sure appreciate y'all tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. As always, God bless you. Bye.